screwing down the pole into one of the bases. And just want to show you to go ahead and do this in a vertical position. If you do it sideways, say if you had the pole laid over sideways and you're screwing the base on, or if you're screwing even the top fixture on, you stand a better chance of cross-threading something. If you do it in a vertical fashion like this, it should fasten down fairly easy. Not to say it's not a little bit of a laborious process. It's about 2 or 3 minutes worth of turning. I think I believe we're just in the time of this video, I've seen half of it. Obviously, this is just sitting on the floor here and not anchored down, but that's basically it right there. See here, and then we'll get a lift and we'll assemble the fixture onto the top.